Have you ever found yourself at the end of the month wondering where all your money went? Do you struggle to save money every month, despite your best efforts? You're not alone. Many of us have trouble managing our finances and finding ways to save money. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to share with you the best ways to save money every month. We'll be giving you practical tips and tricks that you can start implementing right away to help you build up your savings. We'll cover everything from cutting down on unnecessary expenses to finding ways to increase your income, and even how to make the most of your savings. So if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to take control of your finances, then this video is for you. Get ready to learn the best ways to save money every month and start your journey to financial freedom. Number 1. Cut down on subscriptions. Do you have subscriptions that you don't really use or need? Cut them down and cancel the ones you don't use to save monthly money. This could be a monthly gym membership, a streaming service, or a magazine subscription. Every little bit helps when it comes to saving money. Take some time to review your subscriptions and see if there are any that you can do without. The money you save from canceling these subscriptions can be put into savings or used for something else you need. Additionally, by cutting down on subscriptions, you'll simplify your life and avoid paying for services you don't use or need. Furthermore, by being mindful of your subscriptions and regularly reviewing them, you can avoid automatic renewals and overpaying for services. Number 2. Automate your savings. One of the easiest and most effective ways to build your monthly savings is to automate the process. By setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month, you won't have to worry about manually transferring the money, and you'll be surprised at how quickly it adds up. Consider setting a specific amount for your automatic transfer, such as 10% of your income, so that you're consistently putting money into savings. Number 3. Create a budget and stick to it. One of the most important steps to saving money is to create a budget and stick to it. Figure out how much money you earn each month and then subtract your monthly expenses. From there, you can see how much money you have left over to put into savings. The key here is to stick to your budget, even when it's tempting to splurge on something. To make this process easier, consider using a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your spending and savings. Number 4. Use cash instead of credit cards. Using cash instead of credit cards can be a great way to save money and stick to your budget. When you use cash, you can physically see how much money you have left, making it easier to make smart spending decisions. Consider using the envelope system, where you put cash for specific expenses in separate envelopes to help you stay within your budget. This way, you'll only spend what you have and avoid overspending or going into debt. Additionally, by using cash instead of credit cards, you can avoid paying interest and late fees, which can add up quickly and put a dent in your budget. Furthermore, using cash can also help you keep track of your spending and make adjustments as needed. Number 5. Reduce energy costs. Reducing your energy costs can be a simple and effective way to save money each month. By being mindful of your energy usage, you can reduce your monthly utility bills and put more money into savings. Start by turning off lights and electronics when you're not using them, and use energy-efficient appliances. Additionally, you can reduce your energy costs by adjusting the thermostat a few degrees, either up in the summer or down in the winter. Furthermore, by sealing air leaks around your doors and windows, you can reduce your energy costs even further. Not only will you be saving money, but you'll also be helping the environment by reducing your carbon footprint. By taking small steps to reduce your energy costs, you'll be able to make a big impact on your monthly budget and reach your financial goals faster. Number 6. Avoid impulse purchases. Try to avoid impulse purchases as much as possible. Impulse purchases can quickly add up and put a dent in your budget, making it difficult to reach your financial goals. To avoid impulse purchases, take a step back before making a purchase and ask yourself if you really need it, or if it's just something you want. If you're still unsure, wait a few days and see if you still want the item. Additionally, by creating a budget and sticking to it, you'll be less likely to make impulse purchases. By avoiding impulse purchases, you'll be able to put more money into savings each month and reach your financial goals faster. Number 7. Live below your means. Finally, living below your means is the foundation of building your monthly savings and reaching your financial goals. This means spending less money than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. By taking control of your finances and living below your means, you'll be able to put more money into savings each month and reach your financial goals faster. Additionally, by avoiding overspending and living below your means, you'll have more financial freedom and peace of mind, knowing that you're in control of your money. There you have it, the ultimate guide to building your monthly savings with 7 money-saving hacks. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video. Good luck on your savings journey!